There's a common saying in the change circles, never put a drunk back into the pub. And it recognises the concept of sameness, the danger of sameness on rehabilitated or changed behaviour. The same drink in the same pub with the same drinks on the same bar stool at the same time can trigger the return of old programmed behaviours. Great change practitioners recognise the importance of changed environmental factors to support a core change. That might include introducing a new support or buddy system, a new look and feel to the workplace, a new protocol. Either way, they're great examples of supporting those impacted individuals to let go of the old and move to the new. So adopting this method will ensure the pathway from current to future will always be paved for success with less pull from the past.